Hello, today we're doing a review on the Sosoon laptop backpack, and this is a really nice backpack. Um, this isn't a pocket. The material is like really good, and this isn't a pocket either. It would be nice if it was, but it isn't. It's got a nice handle, and it's got a little cushion on the back side, so you know when you grab it, it's okay. Nice rugged, heavy-duty material. There's a side pocket here that you can unzip, and you can put a water bottle in there, and it's got a little mesh side on there, and you just zip it up. And there's one on the other side as well. So you can carry you 2 bottles of water, or a bottle of water, or a pop. Nice cushioned straps, and they have the mesh that wick away moisture if you're sweating, and get nice padded spaces on the back, so that if it's up against you or you drop it or something like that, you got some added cushion there. And there's this strap right here, so that if you don't want to carry your backpack, you want to put it on your luggage handle, you can do that, and that's what this is for. One of the things is the zipper is hidden, you know, under this here flap here, and it's 2 parts. And it zips all the way down on both sides. Oh, and there's a little pocket back here. So if you're on a trip or something like that, you can have little maps or something like that you can stick down in this pocket right here. So this here Velcros, and there's a snap and Velcro on both sides. So you unsnap it, pull the Velcro apart, and you can open the backpack all the way up. And here I have a 17-inch laptop, and you see that there's plenty of room for it. I also have my iPad in this pocket here, and you have this Velcro strap, and it stretches. It's got elastic in it, and you can Velcro that, and it keeps your tablet and your laptop secure. There's enough room in here. You can put your cord to your laptop, you know, your charging cord. You can put that in there. On this side, you have another little pocket here. You can store something. There's another little pocket here. There. And you can zip it up and put, you know, little stuff in there. There's a place for pens, pencils. You know, you can stick that in there. You have 2 deep pockets here that you can put things in. I have a charger in here. It's a charging bank that I put in here. Now, the special feature with this bag, it comes with this cord that's already in the bag, and it leads to this USB port on the outside. So say you plug it into your charging bank or your laptop. I just have it put in here, and I just put this in here, and make sure I turn it on so that I have power there. So say you're all zipped up and you got your backpack on your back, but you want to charge your phone up or another device. Then you just take, I'm going to charge up my iPhone, take this and you have an output charging. And you can charge and you don't have to dig down through the backpack looking and searching to, you know, for something to plug it into. It's right here on the outside. It's really convenient. All you have to do is just plug it in there and you're good to go. All you know, whatever you have the cord plugged up to is your battery source. This is like really roomy. So you can put books in here, papers, folders. There's just so much room in this backpack. It is really nice and simple to put back together. You just snap and the Velcro automatically. And I'm just gonna unplug that and snap here. We're going to zip it up. And this is a very rugged, very heavy duty construction. It's double stitching all around. Make sure I tuck everything in so it doesn't get caught in the zipper. But it's a very heavy duty zipper. And you can put it on your back. And the straps are nice and cushioned. The weight is evenly distributed. It's very comfortable. I really like this. And I'm quite sure you will like this too. If you have any questions, this has been an opinionated review. And if you have any questions, contact the seller.